The new phone is the Samsung W20 5G, and it is unlike other phones in the China-exclusive W series. It is also Samsung's first phone to be powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. The W series is a smartphone line that packs flagship specs in the old clamshell design. The series is known for its dual displays, alphanumeric keypad, and expensive price tag. For the W20, Samsung has made some big changes but has kept the costly price tag. The inner screen is now one enormous flexible touchscreen display that can be folded. You still have an outer screen, but it is larger than any we have seen on previous models. While the Samsung W20 looks nothing like its predecessors in terms of design, it is actually not a new device, as it is just a rebranded Galaxy Fold 5G for China. The phone has a 4.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 720 by 1680 display on the outside. When unfolded, you are greeted with a 7.3-inch flexible Super AMOLED display with a 1536 by 2152 display and HDR10 support. This is Samsung's first phone to come with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, a higher clocked version of the processor inside the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy S10 series. There is 12 GB of RAM, and it is matched with a more than sufficient 512 GB of storage. The inner display cuts off at the top right corner for a 10MP plus 8MP dual camera combo, while the back of the phone is home to a 12MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera. At the top of the smaller display is a 10MP camera for selfies and video calls. On the right frame of the phone are the volume rocker, power button, and side-mounted fingerprint scanner. A USB-C port and a primary microphone at the bottom left of the device, while the bottom right is home to the speakers. The SIM tray is on the left frame. The Samsung W20 5G has a dual-cell battery with a combined capacity of 4235 mAh. It supports reverse wireless charging, so owners can use it to wirelessly charge their other devices. There are dual AKG tuned stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for an immersive audio experience while watching movies or playing games. The W20 5G supports only China Unicom and China Telecom NSA networks. It does not support SA networks. Samsung ships the phone with One UI and their VIP services provided along with the purchase of the phone. You also get a free pair of Galaxy Buds and a leather calfskin case. So friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.